The Occupational Outlook Handbook from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics helps you discover information about hundreds of occupations. With its detailed occupational profiles, the Occupational Outlook Handbook provides information about typical education, pay, what workers do, the outlook for the occupation in the future, and more. Whether you're looking to switch careers or enter the workforce for the first time, BLS can help. You can visit the homepage and explore careers that way. You can also find the information you're looking for in other ways. Use the Occupation Finder to see what matches your criteria. For example, let's say you have a high school diploma. You can use the Occupation Finder to get a list of occupations that typically require a high school diploma or equivalent to become one. Occupations might be familiar to you under a different name, or you're interested in a specialty. Use the A to Z index to find the profile that covers it. For example, maybe you want to be an eye doctor. In the A to Z index, you see that it's part of the optometrist occupational profile. Explore different industries in which you can work by looking at the industry occupation tables. For example, maybe you already work in an occupation but are curious about other opportunities. Knowing about different industries may broaden your career possibilities, so you can continue working in your occupation but in another capacity. So check it out and let us know if you have any questions. You can also get our Career Info mobile app in the App Store and Google Play.